Hi, Mark Diaz here for 2danimation101.com. In this lesson, I'm gonna answer the question about drawing tablets. A lot of students ask many times in comments on a lesson or through email or on Facebook. They ask, okay, what drawing tablet should I use? Or, hey, I don't have a drawing tablet. What can I do? How can I do all the drawings and everything? Or should I use the mouse if I don't have a drawing tablet? Etc., etc. So I want to answer that question. Here's a drawing tablet that I used for many years when I was starting. The Intuos. This I used it for like 2 years, so I can tell you from experience. If you have a drawing tablet that doesn't have a screen, don't use it. I'm sorry to tell you guys this. I know I'm gonna get a lot of hate comments and hate emails. You don't know what you're saying. I used this for 2 years. Trust me. This lowers your drawing skills by probably 50% or 30%. So if you're gonna be using a drawing tablet, then I recommend one that has a screen. Let me show you. The advantage of having a drawing tablet with a screen is that you can actually see where you're drawing. If I want to add some expression lines to this character, I can just do this, right? But if I was to do that with the mouse, then look at all the time I would take, and it's not looking pretty. Oh yeah, but you have the smoothing, right? I can use the smooth option. Yeah, but I still have to look. Oh, it's just a couple of lines and I'm taking too much. I can just do this, right? So if you have a screen tablet, then use it. It's all good. You're not reducing your drawing skills. Now, to be honest, it took like 2 years of saving money to be able to get the Cintiq Pro. But if you want a cheaper alternative, you can check the iPad and getting the Apple Pencil. You can draw with that. And by the way, you can use the iPad as if it was a screen tablet. You can connect it to your computer using an app called Duet. It's like $20, but it's very useful. So if you have a tablet like this one, a tablet with no screen, I strongly recommend just try, instead of this, if you don't have enough money for a screen tablet, instead of this, you would know this is what I recommend. Use paper and pencil. Your drawing skills keep at their 100% because you can see exactly where the pencil makes contact, and the other way, in the other way, you cannot see exactly. You're not precise, and that reduces your speed and your quality. Of course, if you're amazing at drawing, you can do decent job, but that's the problem. If you're amazing, you can be decent. That's not good. That's my take on it. And now people asking, well, can I use my mouse? If you want to draw on a computer, stay away from the mouse. Either use pencil and paper or a screen tablet. And then if you draw on a piece of paper, what I was doing before I got my first little tablet, this one, I would draw on paper, then take a picture, import it into my computer, and then I would use my mouse to trace it. But here's how you trace it. If this was, for example, a character that I had to trace, what I would do is I would take the pen, this is the pen, and then I would just use the vectors. I'm gonna switch from fill to blank, and then the stroke is gonna be black, and it's gonna be 1 pixel. And then what I would do is this. It takes a little bit more time, but look, you can be very precise. And then enter. And then this other one. This is what I did years ago when I was starting, right? You can be a little bit more precise with this. And let's make this invisible. So this is what I recommend. If you don't have a drawing tablet, a screen drawing tablet, then I recommend using very simple characters, okay? Let me share with you an actual example. This is from Brenda Fierro. She did this with pencil and paper. No drawing skills reduced because you can actually see with pencil and paper. You get immediate feedback, you get your precision, and then she does this. She takes this and transform it with the mouse. She transform it into digital and color it. She did this in Illustrator because you can use vectors and you can be very precise, as I was showing you with the pen tool, right? Look, these are panels of her storyboard traced in Illustrator. I personally prefer Photoshop. She likes Illustrator. But anyway, the main point is she didn't use the mouse to draw. She did everything on paper, and from there, she traced it on the computer with the mouse, using the mouse, but using the pen tool. So you can use the lines and be very precise. So in general, what I recommend is if you have a screen tablet, use it. If you just have a drawing tablet like this one, I don't recommend you use it. Your drawing skills lower. They go down. Your precision goes down. Everything goes down a little bit. Not enough to make your drawings horrible, but you reduce your speed a lot. You reduce a lot. And anyway, pencil and paper. If you don't have a drawing tablet, use pencil and paper. But whatever you do, don't use your mouse to draw and design. Design with pencil and paper, import it, and then use your mouse with the pen tool or a tool that allows you to create vector points or lines. Okay? So that's it for this video. Hopefully this helps you a lot. And this is Mark Diaz for 2D Animation 101. Until next time, take care.